Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing well. My name is Vishal, and in this particular video, I'm going to talk about how you can create the SQL database in Microsoft Azure with some kind of a sample database of adventure work. Okay, let's get started. So first thing, the first requirement for that, in order to create a SQL database, is you must have a resource group present in your free trial account or Azure account. Okay, so first of all, you need to create a resource group. I just click on the resource group here. Click on the create resource group. Select the trial or the subscription you have and give the name of the resource group. It should be unique. Okay, and just click on the review plus create. It will take a couple of minutes. I already have the resource group created for this, so that's why I'm not creating here. So I hope you guys got how you can create the resource group. Okay, now let's see how you can create the SQL database. Okay, first of all, search for the SQL database. Select the SQL database. Go here, click on create new. Okay, select the free trial subscription. Select your resource group that you have created right now. Okay, the enter the database name you want to give. I want to give it as a Vishal SQL DB. Yeah, it's acceptable. Now we don't have a server in place, so I'll just click on the create new server. Enter the server name. So I'll say Vishal 25 SQL Server. Yeah, select the location. I choose by default. Okay, sometimes things happen. I was trying to create the SQL database server, but the region I'm choosing here is not available for me in order to create the server. So I have to choose the separate server, choose any one of those. Yeah, it is now available for me. No, it's not. So I'll choose US, West ES2, West US. Is it available for me? I think so. Now I choose SQL authentication. I give server admin login. So I'm choosing whatever thing or the name you want to give. You can add that name here. It's kind of a it's going to help you in terms of when we try to log in to the SQL database. So in the password, choose your password wisely. Set the password and click on OK. That's it. It will create the server for you. Okay, moving forward, just select the workload environment to development, and now just select compute plus storage. So here what we going to get is a chance or leverage to select the compute, the amount we are going to spend. You just need to configure the database here. So if you could see here, the estimated storage cost per month is 477 rupees, and the compute cost is 0.013 something rupees, right? What it means? It means that the storage, the amount, the data you are going to store is going to cost you around 477 rupees per month, and the every time you run any query, select star from this table, select star from that table, this is going to cost you about 0.013 rupees. But we don't want to do that. We might end up adding the multiple query, which kind of take a longer time to run. So in order to fix the cost for a month, so what I'm going to choose here, I'm going to choose a computer to provision. So it's now turns out to be 32,000, but this is going to be huge. For that, I'm going to choose the basic server service tier to basic for less demanding workloads. So now you can see for a month, how amount of queries I'm going to run, or the storage I'm going to have for the pre-trial account of mine. It's not going to cost me more than 407 rupees. So I'll set that. Click on apply. Okay, now go down here. I'll backup storage redundancy. You can choose any one of this. I'll choose this. So it's just giving some kind of a backup for me. So I'll go to the next tab, that is networking. I'll click on next. Just choose public endpoint here, so that it will allow you to connect with the services uh, with the SQL database that you are going to use, or you are going to create, right? So I choose the public endpoint here. So here is no need to do anything else. Go to the security. Here also don't need to do anything. Go to additional setting. Here you get a option of having a sample database. I'll select the sample. I'll click on OK here. Okay, so it's going to create the will be created as a sample database. Okay, so this is what we are going to get as a sample database. Now simply click on review plus create. So you get to see the estimated cost per month is now 407. Just cross check these amounts, and these are the things that you have set. Okay, just go through it one by one. So just click on create. It will take maybe couple of minutes, more than 2 minutes as well, based on the the network you are working with. It hardly takes 2 minutes, and the SQL database with the sample database of Adventure Works is going to be ready for you. If, as you can see here, the deployment is in progress. It will create those things, and it will let me know in the notification here that the SQL Server is created. Okay, uh, let's wait for a while. Yeah, now you can see the deployment is complete. I'll just simply go to the resource, and I'll click on the query editor. I'll provide the password that I entered. I'll just allow for a while. Okay, yeah, now I'm in. So now if you could see here in the tables, you get to see the tables present here. Enter the query, select star from cells, let's say customers. Okay, I'll just run the query. Yeah, it's working. And this is how you can create your SQL database with sample database of Adventure Work uh, in your Azure, Microsoft Azure. If you like the video, please give it a like, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.